So in this Pages tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit bullet point styles, or sorry, how to edit bullet point styles here in the Pages application. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Pages document. Once that is done, for this demonstration, I'm just going to type in bullet point number one, and then I'll copy this actually and just make a list right here of different bullet points and just edit the number every time. So bullet point 1, 2, 3, bullet point 5. So as you can tell, I have a list right here that I want to add some bullet points to. Now to add bullet points, it's super straightforward. Highlight the text you're looking to add bullet points for. Go to the right hand side of your screen, go down to where it says bullets and list, and where it says none, press on that. What you can actually do now is select a bullet point. So you can actually go ahead and change the different styles, if you want. So you can add a bullet point here. You can go ahead and change that to an image here. You can change this to a letter here. Whatever the case may be, you can change the style. It's completely up to you. So what we'll do actually here is just go ahead and add image right here, and right below where it says image bullet, you can change that to where it says text bullets right there, where it says numbers right there. Whatever the case may be, you can play around with it. It is completely up to you. Now if you want to go ahead and change the indent, you can increase it or decrease it. If you want to change the space between, you can increase or decrease it right here. You can change the current image right here to different styles. So if you want to maybe add the bullet point to look like this, you can maybe add the bullet point to look like, I don't know, this, whatever the case may be. It is completely up to you. You can sort of play around with it and select whatever style of bullet points that you're looking to add in this document. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to add, or I guess, how to edit bullet point styles here in a Pages document. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.